So today we will learn how to write a sorting program in Java. So you can see that I open my notepad++ text editor. Here you can also see that I named my Java source file as sort.java, and I show you one more thing, that I am currently in my Java working directory where all my Java source files were stored. If you don't know how to go in Java working directory, then there is a link in the description. You can watch that video. This will be very helpful for you. Then come to this video so you can easily understand how to go in currently working Java directory where all your source files stored. So let's start writing our program and write all necessary instruction which is required for our sorting program. So first I am importing a package. Then I will write our main class. Now it's time to write our main method. So all simple things done. Now we will write our all necessary instructions for sorting. Here is inside of the public static void main method. So let's write. First of all, I will create a object of scanner class which is t. Now I will declaring the variables and I will explain one by one. First of all, I will use variable n, which is used to denote as the size of the array. Then we use variable I for traversing the array. Then we use variable j for making conditional comparison and performing replacement of the elements in array. Then we use a temp variable for swapping. So all the variables are. Now it's time to initialize our variable n, which is denoted as the size of the array. But before first, we will print a message with the size of the array. Array size. Now it's time to initialize our variable n, which is denoted as the size of the array. Now we will declare our array. So now it's time to enter the elements into array. We have declared our. So first we have initialized a variable n. Then we declare our array. Now it's time to enter the elements into our array. Now we will print our array. So you can see that all the simple things are done. From here our main logic of the program start. So let's start writing our main logic. So we make a conditional comparison by using j variable that I mentioned at the top of the declaration section. From here, from our main logic of the program start, this loop is basically used for traversing the array, and this loop is basically used for replacement of values in array by checking this condition. If a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, then we will make a swap of the values. If it is not greater than, if a of j is not greater than a of j plus 1, then it does not do anything. It simply go for again checking the values of the array and then make a replacement. Here replacement is actually refers to a swapping. So now we will write our swapping code, which is simple swapping technique. So friend, our main logics is done. Now it's time to print our sorted array. I made a lot of mistakes here. This is n minus 1 and we have to specify n minus 1 here also. You have to specify these two here and here, because if you don't specify n minus 1, then you will get array index out of bound error. Actually it is not an error, you will get an exception, array index out of bound. I will explain this thing in numerical. If you have little bit confusion here, then you can check it about numerical first, then it will help you a lot to understand the logic, how the logic will work. And also I'll explain these three instructions. This full code explain in my numerical. So if you want to know more about, then please go to my numerical. It will be very helpful for you to how the logic will work here. So this is it friend, we write our code for sorting the data. Now it's time to check whether it is running or not. So I am open my command prompt and type java c so it is compile it properly. And you're asking for entering the size of the array. Then we have to enter the elements. So here you can see that it sorts our array. Before sorting 22, this will be printed, and after sorting, it will basically sort the data in ascending order. So if your requirement to sort the data in descending order, then you have to simply change the instruction like this. You have to make it just less than, and then again we are running our program by using CLS and then simple, and then we have to enter the size of the array. So you can see that this will sort data in descending order. So only one program you needed, just a simple change of one instruction, you can sort data in either ascending or descending order. So friend, if you like this video, so give us a big thumb and please subscribe to my channel if you want more of videos like that. So thanks for watching friends, see you next video, take care and bye bye.